Okay. Okay, so basically I just start with this kind of skeletal kind of constructions, and I'll build my drawing over it. So I will start off the head, and I'll work my weight down, and I'll break down all the proportions, and I'm just going to go over very basic on the head. We will have, there will be a week we will focusing more details on the head proportion, but I'm just going to start with just very, simple ideas and some big simple lay-ins and proportion of the head. If we take halfway of the head, the top and the bottom, we take it halfway, right here, and that would be your eye line. And I'll put an arch over above it, and that will give you the eyebrow. And then here's the eyebrow line, right here. And then the halfway between the eyebrow to your chin, right here, that's going to be your nose. And then okay. And then so what you have here is the chin to your nose and nose to your eyebrow. They are equal distance. And if you take that same distance up right here, that will give you the hairline. So these are equal third. Okay. So, and then the mouth, you can see I put a mouth right here. This could be 1, 2, 3. The mouth is going to sit at about third between the nose to the chin. I'm basically draw a socket, and I'm going to put a ball inside the socket like this to indicate where the eyeball is. Okay. Okay. And then if I extend the eyebrow to the side, extend the nose to the side, you can see your ear is going to fit about within that two lines. So now I'm going to find about where the corner of the eyebrow, corner eyebrow will be right, here's the eyebrow right here. Sits on the eyebrow line, it comes out like this. And then here's the nose. And then here's the temple line. It's going to be right about with the corner of the eyebrow. So it breaks out the front and the side of the forehead. And then if we're going to swing this over towards your nose, we're going to swing over towards the nose, you get the widest part on the head, which is the cheekbones. And then this comes down to the side of the cheek. Earlier we talked about, we said it's 1/3 between the nose to the chin, 1/3 right here. That's where the mouth. The halfway between nose to the chin. So right here, here's about 1/3 right here. The halfway is about right here. Halfway between the nose to the chin right here. If I extend that all the way out, that's basically where the bottom of your lips. Okay, and if I extend that out to the side, it actually gives you where the corner of a jawbone. And this is a very important landmark. This is a corner. So is a cheekbone. Anytime when you see corners on the bodies are referred to a very important landmark, because when the head tilts into different views, that's going to help you to establish the perspective. So again, that's where the half between the nose to the chin. So if I take that over, so right here, and you can see right here, that's where the corner of the jawbones. The head are wider on the top, taper toward the chin. So you can draw your eyelid over the eyeball like this, and put your iris over it like this. If I take a line straight from the center of the eyes, take a line straight down, you can see that gives you about the width of the mouth. And if you take that all the way down, that gives you roughly about the width of a chin. More true for male, less true for female. I'm going to draw a male figure here, so everything going to be a little more angular. Okay. But if you're drawing female, everything going to be a little more subtle, more round, more elegant. So. Okay, let me add some tone. And you can see the side plane of the forehead wrap around the cheekbone, and it's going to shoot right towards the corner of the chin like this. Go right to the corner of the chin. So you also help to break the front to the side plane of the face, and that's very important. We want to know where the corners are on the body, so we know where the major plane.